5.4, example 4, proving a cofunction identity. We have the cosine pi over 2 minus x, that's the cofunction identity, and it's equal to sine of x. You'll notice over here on the side, I went ahead and drew the angle pi over 2 and gave its order pair 0, 1. So what we do is, we say the first one is u and the second one is v. So it's kind of like saying the cosine of u minus v. Well, the cosine of u minus v is the cosine of u cosine v plus sine u sine v, like that. The cosine of u, cosine being x, is 0. So 0. The cosine of v would be saying the cosine of v is, so v is x. So the cosine of x plus the sine of u. Well, u is pi over 2, sine is y, so the sine is 1. And v again is x, so sine x. 0 times cosine x is 0. 1 times sine x is sine x. 0 plus sine x is just sine x. So that is just proved that those two are equal to each other, proving the cofunction identity. Go ahead and try here number 73, please. Sine pi over 2 plus x equals cosine of x. I've already given you the angle pi over 2 with the order pair 0, 1. Press pause so you can figure out how to prove this. Okay, now that we're back, I would call this one u, this one v. So the sine of u plus v is equal to sine u cosine v plus cosine u sine v. The sine of u, which is pi over 2, so the sine of pi over 2 is 1. And cosine x, because v is the same thing as x, plus the cosine of u. Cosine is x, and that's 0. So 0 times the sine of x. Those make 0. 1 times the cosine of x is the cosine of x. And that's how you prove that.